Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of lag on the application of NFL. You will go to settings, you will go to this window here. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you will search about NFL app as you see. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Then you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.